Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with another ICAD entry, and this is day number 14. Yeah, and so today's prompt is stick pin. So we had to incorporate a stick pin into our ICAD for the day. So I am going to get one. I am using, I already took my out of the package, but this is the Spellbinders handmade series. So I'm using one of the stamps from off of there, and I already stamped it out and cut it out. And then I am using probably that stamp from that set in that die. Well, no, I don't think I'm going to get that. I think I'm just going to stamp. And I think I'm going to use this mustard seed. And I'm going to use this embossing photo by Cutterbug, which is fabric swatches. And I'm just laying it right here. So I think I'm going to not do this whole thing, but part of it, I think, yeah. So hopefully you guys have watched most of the series and seen what we're doing. We are creating an ICAD every single day for 30 days. And so ICAD is an index card, and so it's index card a day. And so typically they're done for at least a 30-day period and not 60. And it gives you that chance to just make yourself stay creative and to make sure you are in your craft room doing some type of project. Keeping you busy. So I already stuck my little stick pin in here that I'm going to use. Let's see. So I emboss part of it, and then I think I'm going to stamp and color on the bottom. Hopefully my stamping works, because this is a new stamp. And where's my re-inker? This is a junky mess at the moment. But anyway, so you can check out Miss Little Scrappy, and you can see hers as well, because she's doing hers. And not sure if the other ladies are posting theirs, but if they do, I will mention theirs as well. But if you do decide to play along, just do hashtag ICAD 757 challenge. I mean 757 ICAD challenge. I can't even talk. Alright, so little piece left off the end. There we go. That's gonna work.
It's 10:30 דקות לפני הצהריים.
Alright, so I have not used this sponge or this dioxide. Can't even talk dioxide. Lord, Distress Oxide ink. Just make it up. Just add a little bit of color. Oops. And so I'm just going to color around these little edges a little bit, make it a little darker around the edges, and make it a little softer on the other sides. A little lighter in the middle. And then I am going to use my stick pin up here, and hopefully it stays. Alright. This is kind of what I wanted, just a little bit of a shading. Okay. A little dark. I just want a little darker around the edges and then lighter in the middle. Okay. That suffice. And then I'm just going to stick down some yarn and put my stick pin in. Hopefully it will stay. And put my little sentiment down. And I gotta figure out how I want to keep this this yarn in place. And not too thick, but just enough to give it a little flair, a little something to stay on. Make that a little bit bigger. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful week, and thank you for, coming along on this journey and just seeing what I make. And I'm trying to make each design a little bit different. I'm loving having the prompts because they are so different, and like I said, I have a whole jar full of prompts. You never know what we're going to get. So that's the fun thing about it, and keeps you on your toes, and it keeps you using some of your product. And I'm trying to see if I want to, I don't know if I want to just tear down. Well, how I want this to be. I like that. And let's see, I think I'm going to use additional string to tie it. I don't want to tie it in the middle that way. I still need this to fit into my pocket. So that I can keep hold of, because I'm keeping mine in my little, I have a little like We Are Memory Keepers notebook, and it basically has room for 4x6s and for memory keeping. I'm just using it for ICADs. Okay, I think that's what I want. A little sloppy, and that's fine. Because hopefully I can get it to stay on the page. My tape just, of course it did, because I'm kind of, let's see, I think I'm going to pop that up a little bit, a little bit of a film. Give it just a teeny bit of dimension. And then once I do that, I'm going to just try to get my stick pin in here, and then that should be it. I'm going to have the sentiment. Yep. Okay. Excuse me. Alright, so now let's see how I'm getting the stick pin in here to stay. Okay, perfect. So that is going to be it. That is my ICAD for today, and the prompt was a stick pin, so that is day 14. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.